Listen carefully. That sound is not music. It is Saturn, broadcasting its rage into the darkness. For centuries, we called it beautiful, the jewel of the solar system, a golden giant, crowned with light, floating peacefully in the void. But beauty is the universe's most convincing lie. Saturn is not peaceful. It is a storm engine, a hydrogen titan, spinning so violently it crushes itself flat, wider than it is tall. This is not a planet. This is controlled chaos. Welcome to the crown of dead. From Earth, the rings look perfect, smooth, divine. But if you entered them, you would not glide. You would be shredded. The rings are not solid. They are debris. Billions of fragments of ice and rock, racing at impossible speeds, colliding, exploding, reforming. A cosmic grinder, stretching 300,000 kilometers wide, yet thinner than a skyscraper. And those rings are not decoration. They are remains. Long ago, a moon drifted too close. It crossed the Roche limit, the line where gravity stops negotiating. Saturn tore it apart, layer by layer. What we admire as beauty is a graveyard. Now look at the North Pole. Nature prefers curves. Storms spiral. They swirl. But Saturn defies nature. There spins a perfect hexagon, 6 equal sides, locked in place for decades. A hurricane large enough to swallow 4 Earths. At its center, a crimson vortex, like an open eye, watching, unblinking. No one fully understands why it exists. And that is what makes it terrifying. Every 30 Earth years, Saturn changes. A planetary storm ignites, the Great White Spot. Imagine a thunderstorm wrapping around an entire world. Lightning 10,000 times stronger than Earth's. Clouds rising from deep internal heat, turning gold into ghostly white. Saturn does not just spin, it erupts. Then there is Titan, a moon that looks like home. Rivers, lakes, rain. But the rain is methane. The lakes are liquid gas. The air would suffocate you. The cold would shatter you. The dunes are hydrocarbon grains, like black plastic, shifting in alien winds. It looks alive, but it is built from poison. And then, Enceladus, a frozen world, cracked open, bleeding geysers into space. Beneath its ice shell, a hidden ocean. Warm, salty, rich in organic molecules. In that dark ocean, something might be moving. To uncover these secrets, we made a sacrifice. In 2017, Cassini dove into Saturn, a deliberate death. For 13 years it watched, and then it burned, torn apart by heat and pressure, transmitting data until the final second. Saturn showed no mercy. Saturn feels eternal, but it is not. The rings are dying. Gravity is pulling them down. Ring rain. In 100 million years, they will vanish, and Saturn will lose its crown. So look at it while you can, because what you are staring at is not just beauty. It is violence, frozen in motion, a temporary masterpiece, built from destruction. And in the universe, beauty is often deadly.